Hi guys, in this video share hands-on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra review. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is launching earlier than we'd anticipated, and that's good news if you're due for an upgrade and want the best of everything that Samsung can pack into an Android phone. Its 5 cameras, 108MP sensor and 100x zoom offer more photo variety than an iPhone 12 Pro Max, while its 6.8-inch screen, 16GB of RAM and US Pen support make the phone feel like a mini tablet. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is Samsung's vision of smartphone access, with 5 cameras, a 108MP sensor, 2 telephotos cameras, 100x zoom, 5G, up to 16GB of RAM and S Pen stylus support, all packed into a single Android phone with a 6.8-inch 120Hz Quad HD display. This is the first new Android phone we have tested in 2021, along with the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus, and it sets the bar high. Samsung has retooled the autofocus of its camera system to remedy the problems we had with last year's Galaxy S20 Ultra, tweaked the specs and features for faster performance, and comes in at a significantly cheaper launch price. It's still mighty expensive to buy the S21 Ultra for most consumers, more than the iPhone 12 Pro Max even, but Samsung is offering a larger, brighter and more capable curved screen, 10x optical camera zoom, versus 3x, and stylus support, something Apple has yet to do on any iPhone. Depending on what's important to you, Samsung may be offering more value for your money. What's the catch? We started out saying that the S21 Ultra is Samsung's vision of excess. You'll have to let go of what doesn't fit into the company's new roadmap. Gone is the micro SD card slot for expandable storage, and you won't find a charger inside the box. Like Apple before it, Samsung is citing e-waste as the reason this power brick is no longer included. If you just got over the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack in smartphones, brace yourself for more change. But all of the positives of the Samsung S21 Ultra offers outweigh any minor discomfort for a phone that should land on our best phone page after further testing. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra release date and price. Samsung has set the Galaxy S21 Ultra release date for Friday, January 29, 2021 after the phone was unveiled on January 14. Pre-orders for the handset are now live in the US, UK and Australia. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra price is high, especially when compared to the cheaper-than-expected Samsung Galaxy S21, but it's notably cheaper than the Galaxy S20 Ultra was at launch. The Samsung Galaxy